Hey there, today I will show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to your debit card. We'll walk you through the exact steps to request a withdrawal and make sure everything goes smoothly. So let's get started. Before you begin, keep these key rules in your mind. You can only withdraw your funds to an approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card that was previously used for deposits. If you have not deposited using your debit card before, you may need to deposit to it first before you can withdraw. Now you have to withdraw to your debit card, so you have to follow these steps. You have to open the PrizePick app on your phone, or go if are using a PC, you just have to go to its official site. Now tap the menu icon in the top left corner if you are using a app, and if you are using a browser, it's in the top right corner. You have to select request withdrawal and choose your linked debit card as the withdrawal method. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the request. After you submit your withdrawal request, you will receive a one-time notification password via email. Prizepicks also send a follow-up email confirming whether your withdrawal was successful. If the withdrawal fails, make sure you have previously deposited with that debit card. Your debit card details are correct. If you are still having issues, reach out to Prizepicks supports for help. And that's it. That's how you withdraw your Prizepicks winning to your debit card. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.